Hey you, welcome to Beauty Over 40. So it's that time of month again where we collab with all the beauties of Beauty Over 40. This month we're celebrating Arab American Heritage Month. Definitely check out all the girls that participated in this month's video. I'm sure they're going to blow these looks out of the water. I have their channel information down below in the description box. If you'd like to see how I created this look, definitely stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started. This is going to be a voiceover, so enjoy the video. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to do a nice natural wearable cut crease, but as I go through the video, I am just going to share a few details about the Arab American Heritage Month. Alright, and as you saw here, I started with a dark brown chocolate color, and I'm just mapping out exactly where I want my cut crease. April is designated as Arab American Heritage Month, a time to honor the contributions of Arab Americans to American society and the richness of their culture. Alright guys, so we're going to grab those warm crease colors and we're just going to start to blend out the top of that line. We want to make sure that it is diffused really well. So not so much of the color name, but definitely pay attention to the technique and the color. The Arab American experience is as diverse as the region's faith and customs to define it. The Arab American community represents Americans with roots from 22 nations, spanning from North Africa to the Arabian Gulf, making Arab Americans' culture incredibly diverse. Alright, and as you can see, I just grabbed a liner brush, took some more of that dark chocolate eyeshadow, and let's darken that line again. And now I'm going in with eyeshadow primer and a very trained flat concealer brush. And we're just mapping out that cut crease. And then we're going to fill the entire lid in. Arab Heritage Month goes back to the 90s when it was occasionally observed, mostly in schools across the country, due to the long presence of people of Middle Eastern descent in the U.S. Arab Americans have a long history in the United States, North America, that started when people of Middle Eastern descent first began to enter in large numbers in the 1800s. And as you see here, I'm just taking a flat brush and packing on a nude peachy color all within the cut crease. And the footage here, you see I am just trying to perfect my wing liner here on both of my lids. Me and liner don't get along on my left eye, so it's always a challenge. So when I do use liner, it's really important to me to use something that's going to cooperate with me, something that's going to flow easy, or something that's really creamy. Here I am using the MAC Black Track liner. This is a really good base to use for smoky eyes or even just a liner. Alright, and we're just going to blend that out. I want my waterline really dark and smoky. This is definitely a trend that I've seen on those communities. I love the makeup and just how bold and creative they are. You know, and a lot of the trends that we wear today come from those communities. So definitely we have to, you know, recognize them as well. Next, I'm going to be using some lashes that I sell on my website, you guys. Please jump on my store and check out all the things I have. I have some really unique pieces, definitely for jewelry, but I have some other beauty things as well. Today, it is reported that over 4 million Arab Americans live in the United States, with many holding positions in the military, entertainment, politics, and every other aspect of social life. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, Lebanese Americans constitute the largest group of Arabs in the U.S., followed by Egyptians, Syrians, Palestinians, Jordanians, Moroccans, and Iraqis. Alright guys, that's it. If you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRAgeMakeup, and also my second handle, which is _beautyover40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications, that way you'll be notified when I upload new content. Alright guys, until next time, remember, the best makeup you can wear is confidence.